Now here let's start the assembly of pipe voice. So let's choose here new assembly. Okay, now this is the assembly window. Let's browse our first part. Let's change it large icon. First part we will keep connecting wedge because this is the mid part and all the parts met with this. So open, and here go to I, you can see, and find out here view origin. Okay, and just met with origin. Once you go to origin, it will automatically met and okay, because if you see, it will be in perfect position, top bottom everything in same. So I always choose to do this one. Okay, now let's hide this origin. Let's browse other parts. Mounting shaft. Press Ctrl key and copy. Okay, choose here mat. Select this shaft and this hole. Okay, this shaft and this hole. Okay, let's drag down. Select this bottom face and this face. Coincident relation. Here also we will do the same thing. Select this bottom face and bottom of connecting wedge. Coincident relation, that's fine. Now both the fixed here. Later we will add some nut here. Let's insert our other part. Choose spindle shaft. Okay, let's rotate this. Take upward. Okay, choose mat. Select this circular face and this circular face. Make relation concentric. Okay, you can see it's going up and down. We will make a screw relation, but later first let add some turning shaft and knob. Press Ctrl key and copy one knob. Concentric relation. Select this face and this face. Coincident relation, that's fine. Select this shaft and hole. Concentric relation. Just drag to other side. Select this face and this face. Coincident relation. Now let's fix this shaft. Select this hole and the shaft. Make relation concentric. Okay, now just go to advanced mat. Choose here width. Select here centered. This face, this face, and select this circular face. See, it will automatically adjust center position because here we selected centered. Okay, now it's time to add some relation with this. Go to mechanical mat. Choose here screw. Distance, keep 6 mm. Select this inside face and this thread. Select both the threads. Distance 6 mm. This is roughly calculated, not any. Keep reverse direction. Okay, take it down. We will take it down by another way. Let's add one part, then you will see how it will comes. Choose here movable jaw. Okay, now we want to fix this one. So how we will do this? Select here right plane, mat, and choose here, go to mat, symmetric, select this face and this face. You can see, okay. Now select this hole and this shaft, go to add standard mat, concentric, okay. Take it down, mat, select this face and this face, make relation coincident, okay. Okay, now let's try. Now you will see how the shaft rotate. Let's see, it is rotating. Now here we want to make some relation. Better let's browse other parts. First make it fixed jaw, that's it. Now choose mat, select here parallel, select these two faces, keep parallel relation, okay. Now select this hole and this hole, coincident. Here also select this hole and this hole, coincident relation, that's fine. Advanced mat, choose width, select these two faces and these two faces, see, okay. Now it is adjusted into center position. Now it's time to add some relation here. Select distance, first select this face and this face. Here we need to set maximum and minimum. So maximum, let's say 85, minimum 1 millimeter, or minimum you can say 0, okay. Okay, now let's play. Take down, I think something went wrong, so just edit. Okay, let's just undo this one and delete this last, because it's not this moving, that's it. See, we didn't do anything, we just simply applied the relation. See, this gap we kept 0, so it will not move beyond that. And let's move down. This is the maximum 85 millimeter. In 85 millimeter I think it's going to touch the bottom. Let's bring our other two parts and fix it. The moving pin, press Ctrl key and mounting pin, moving pin, mounting pin, mat, select this hole and pin, concentric relation, select this face and the face of pin, coincident. See, the pin is fixed here. Let's rotate this one. Choose mat, select the hole and this face, concentric relation, select this face and this face, coincident relation. You can see here it's going to fixed in a proper way. This is called moving pin. It is always used to handle this main body. That's it. and we forget to add one pin here. We created one 3mm pin. This pin and hole coincident. Width, select these two faces and select the pin two faces. Now it's going to fix in the mid. Okay, that's fine. So the pipe voice is almost ready. Only we need to fix some nut bolt here. Here let's add hexagon flange nut. So go to design library, choose toolbox, add in now, and we will choose it from ISO standard. Choose here nut, hexagon flange nut. Hexagon prevailing restra hexagon flange nut grade A. I think grade A is let's see, grade C 4161. This is the better option. Let's drag, place here, fixed. M16 schematic or simplified is up to you, it's not a big deal. Okay, now it will ask you want to make, first go to this shaft, then select the face. Okay, because once you go to shaft and then you will choose the face, it will take the position. Okay, this one I think distracted, so let's select this face, make it reverse. Okay, take it up, select this face, coincident relation. Now let's add one screw here. Select this face and this face. M6 we need schematic. Okay, cancel. That's it. See, it's already fixed here. So this is the our pipe wise. It is simple project. Many people ask me about this project, pipe wise. It is widely used clamp or wise. You can fix your pipe here, and you can do mostly the people going for cutting the pipe and like this process. I hope you like it. Let's save this one. We will say pipe voice assembly. Let's make exploded view. If you will this one keep as it is. Let's select this small pin, take out, then choose this one, then select both the nuts, this one take here, again choose, this no need, select these two bodies, select these two pins, take out, select the main body, down, actually let's see, small. Okay, you can adjust exploded view according to your right click here, collapse. Again right click, animate explode. Now see, even if you like you can save it from here. So just cancel it, collapse all. That's it. So I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects. If you have any comment, just write down below. I'll try to answer each and every question. And it's very difficult to add me 2D drawings because it will take too much time. I don't have that much time to create, but in future I'll try to add 2D files also.